everybody, Max here for IGN Access. I'm at CES 2019, and boy am I tired of carrying stuff around. Well, luckily, there's a company called Rover Speed, and they have a device called the R1 smart-suitcase that might help me out with that. Check this out. That's right, it is a smart suitcase that will follow me around. It has cameras in it. It's a robot. I don't know what else to say about it. It's full of okay, it's actually creepy. Okay, this is a little bit weird. It's getting a little bit. Okay, it's following me a lot. Anyway, this thing has like a bunch of smart technology in it, so if someone steals it, it'll start being like, help, help, I'm a stolen suitcase, get away from me. Get help, boy. There's smugglers all around us. Nasty smugglers. But really, it's kind of cool because it'll just, I think it got confused. Hey, you all right there? It's okay. It can also be a regular suitcase too. You just put your hand on it, move it around, and don't let me catch you following me. Now, there's a lot of technology at CES that isn't quite ready for market. It's not out there, you can't buy it, and you're like, well, that's a cool idea, but we'll never see this. This is actually out there in the wild. You can go buy one of these for $459. Apparently they're on Amazon already. They work as carry-on. You can even use them to charge your phone. Imagine that. But yeah, this is kind of insane. The future is actually here right now, and now it's right here, and now it's right here. But can it follow me if I go over here? It certainly can. I like the brakes on this thing. It's actually freaking me out a little bit. Anyway, we have lots more weird coverage coming out of CES. Keep it right here on IGN. I'm gonna play with this thing for like 45 minutes. This is the most fun I've ever had with a suitcase since I was like 4 and could fit inside of one.